Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I will tell you that how you can create a Facebook page. So first of all you have to open up your Facebook, then you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner, and here you can see this pages option. You will click on this one, and on the top left corner under pages you will see this create option. You will click on this one, then you have to click on get started. Now here you have to enter the name of your page. So let's suppose that my page name will be cool nature videos. Let's suppose. Click on next. Then you have to choose the type of your page. So mine is basically, if we search for nature, let's search for entertainment website. Then you have to click on create, and then you have to wait for some seconds, and it will create a page for you. Okay, so your page is now created. We now just have to enter our settings over here. So right here you can enter your website if you have, and you can always enter your location and address. Then you click on next. Customize your page, you can add a profile picture. Then you click on next one, then click on done. So our page is now created. So that's guys how you can create a Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.